Hello everyone, we are from Group 5 and my name is Harvey Birimsta. Today we are going to present our report for UHLB 2 and P2 Professional Communication Skills 1. Our presentation is titled Data Centers and their Environmental Footprints, Challenges and Sustainable Solutions. To start things off, let's look around us. Every time we send a message, stream videos, look up information or even use AI applications, we are relying on a massive global infrastructure, and the heart of these modern digital ecosystems are data centers. They provide vital backbone that support the technological advancement and drive rapid economic growth worldwide. Millions of people interact with this system on their daily basis without really realizing it. However, these rapid digital transformations come with a hidden cost. While data centers bring positive effect to our society, they also generate a severe negative environmental footprint. The core issue is from heat generation. Because data centers house thousands of servers, storage systems, and networking devices, they demand immense continuous amounts of electrical power to keep running. This brings us to a critical urgent debate that our reports exhibit. Should the future growth of data centers prioritize unhindered industrialization, or must we pivot heavily to a strict environmental sustainability? Our ultimate goal is to find a realistic, practical balance between the necessary expansion of our digital world and the critical duty of protecting our environment. To give you a deeper understanding of exactly what is causing this crisis and how it impacts our communities, I will now hand this floor to the next speaker.
My name is Nurishan Elwandit Abdullah. Today I will continue our group presentation by looking into the background of this problem. As the future engineers, before we looking at any solution, we must deeply analyze why this crisis happened and how it impact our world. Today, I will break down the technical root causes and the real-world effect of data center on our environment. Let us look at the first core issue on this slide, the cause of the problem. Why are data centers suddenly becoming a major environmental threat? The primary reason is the rapid growth of advanced digital technologies. In this modern era, everyone relies heavily on cloud computing, big data analytics, and corporate digital transformations. But the biggest accelerator today is artificial intelligence AI. Running complex AI model requires high performance microprocessor to process data at maximum speed non-stop. This continuous data processing creates a monumental amount of data inside the hardware. To stop hardware failure, tech companies are forced to build more mega data centers globally and locally. The second cause is the value of traditional building. The vast majority of data centers still use all these vast air conditioning system and massive electric plants. In engineering physics, air is the very conductor of heat. Because air cooling is highly inefficient, this whole system wasting a massive amount of electricity and water just to keep the infrastructure stable. The third cause is bad location planning. Tech companies usually build data centers when land, steam, and power grid are immediate, without looking at clean energy availability. This creates a dangerous heavy relies on traditional fossil fuels like coal and natural gas. When a facility combines inefficient air cooling with a fossil fuels energy grid, it creates a mass carbon polluter. Now, let us examine the second part, the effect of the problem. The second center from our research report are tuning elements. First, let's look at the global electricity consumption. Data center today consume a staggering 1% to 2% of the total global electricity supply. This number might look small, but in the reality, it's equal to total energy used by entire industrialized nations. Second, cooling system alone use more than 50% of the total energy. This means half of the electricity is just used to keep the service crew not for processing data because they run on fossil fuels. They release greenhouse gases and cause global warming. But the damage is also local. Data centers provide a heavy strain on local resource and community. Traditional cooling tower need millions of gallons clean fresh water every day. This increases pressure on local water supply and raises water costs for local families. It heavily threats sustainable development. In conclusion, we cannot ignore this environmental and social problem anymore. We need to change the grid infrastructure to expand our sustainable solutions. I will hand over the presentations to Emily.
Hi, I'm Emily. I will be discussing an innovative solution to reduce high energy consumption in data centers, which is the use of advanced cooling technologies instead of relying only on traditional HVAC systems. One of the main solutions is liquid cooling. This method uses non-conductive fluids to directly remove heat from servers, making it more efficient than traditional air-based cooling systems. According to Avim et al., this approach significantly improves thermal management in data centers. There are several advantages of liquid cooling. First, it reduces energy consumption, which also lowers operating costs. In addition, it supports better sustainability, making the data centers more environmentally friendly. However, there are also some limitations. Liquid cooling systems may face leakage risks, and this can potentially damage important hardware components. As stated by Data Center Asia, proper system design and maintenance are necessary to prevent these issues. To summarize, liquid cooling is an effective solution for improving energy efficiency in data centers. However, it must be properly installed and regularly maintained to ensure both safety and reliability. The next solution to reduce the carbon footprint of data centers is to transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind energy. According to Avin et al., this helps reduce the environmental impact of data centers by replacing conventional electricity sources with cleaner energy. This solution can be implemented by integrating renewable energy systems into data centers' operations. In other words, the data center can use electricity generated from solar panels or wind power to support its daily operations, including running servers and cooling systems. This reduces dependence on traditional energy sources like coal, oil, and natural gas. One major advantage of renewable energy is that it lowers greenhouse gas emissions, which helps reduce the carbon footprint of data centers. Besides that, it also supports long-term sustainability goals and makes data center operations more environmental friendly. However, there is also a limitation to this solution. Renewable energy generation depends heavily on weather conditions. For example, solar energy production decreases on cloudy days, while wind energy depends on wind availability. According to the International Energy Agency, this may lead to an inconsistent power supply. Therefore, although renewable energy is a good solution for reducing carbon emissions, data centers may still need energy storage systems, such as batteries or backup power sources, to ensure a stable and reliable electricity supply. In conclusion, renewable energy can greatly improve sustainability, but it should be combined with proper power management for the best results.
Now, I will conclude our presentation by summarizing the key solution and providing our final recommendation. From this presentation, we have discussed that rapid growth of digital technologies has made the data centers an essential part of modern society. However, this growth also comes with significant environmental challenges, including high energy consumption, greenhouse gas emission, and heavy water usage. To address these challenges, we propose two practical and sustainable solutions. First solution is to implement liquid cooling system. Unlike traditional air conditioning methods, liquid cooling removes heat more efficiently, helping data center to reduce energy consumption while lowering operating costs. Although this technology requires proper maintenance to prevent leakage, in long term, environmental and economic benefits make it promising solution. Second is to transition from fossil fuel to renewable energy source, such as solar energy and wind power. While renewable energy may sometimes affected by the weather condition, combining it with energy storage system can provide a reliable power supply and while significantly reducing carbon emission. So, what's our verdict? Our groups believe that digital growth and environmental conservation should not be seen as competing priorities. Instead, they can coexist when sustainable infrastructure is placed at the center of technological development. By combining innovative cooling technologies with renewable energy, data center can continue supports the world digital transformation while minimizing impact on the environment. This balanced approach ensures that technological progress benefits both society and future generations. In conclusion, the future technology should not only be measured by how fast it grows, but also how responsibly it grows. Every step towards greener solution today is an investment in cleaner and sustainable tomorrow. Finally, on behalf of Group 5, I would like to thank you all for your time and attention. That's all from us. Thank you and have a wonderful day.